Did you know that smart travelers can save up to 50% on their trips? That's right. By making savvy choices, you can unlock incredible travel experiences without breaking the bank. I'm here to share how to save money while traveling. That means I'm sharing my best budget travel tips, including my biggest secret for maximizing savings. Get ready to explore the world affordably. Traveling on a budget isn't just about saving money. It's about making the most of your resources. It's about being smart with your choices and finding ways to experience the world without breaking the bank. Think of it like baking a cake. You need to have the right ingredients and follow the recipe carefully to get the best results. You can have all the fancy ingredients, but without the right recipe and measurements, it won't turn out right. Similarly, budget travel requires planning and precision to ensure a fulfilling experience. Budget travel is about finding the perfect balance between experiencing new places and managing your spending wisely. It's about making informed decisions and prioritizing what truly matters to you. In today's economy, every penny counts. Being mindful of your expenses can lead to more opportunities to explore and enjoy your travels. Traveling on a budget allows you to stretch your hard-earned dollars further. It opens up possibilities to see more, do more, and experience more without the financial strain. It's like finding hidden treasure that lets you explore more destinations and create lasting memories. Budget travel is not just a necessity. It's an art that enriches your journey and makes every moment count. We all know the feeling of excitement when planning a trip, the thrill of exploring new destinations, and the joy of discovering new cultures. But that excitement can quickly turn to stress when faced with high costs. The dream vacation can start to feel like a financial burden. Accommodation and food often take the biggest bite out of our travel budgets. Staying in expensive hotels and dining at gourmet restaurants can be very tempting. Luxurious hotels and fancy restaurants are tempting, but they can quickly drain your funds. The allure of opulence can sometimes overshadow the reality of your budget. Another major budget buster is transportation. Flights, trains, and taxis can add up, especially during peak season when prices are at their highest. The costs of getting from one place to another can be surprisingly high, particularly if you haven't planned ahead or are traveling during busy times. It's easy to get caught up in the convenience of quick transport options, but it often comes with a hefty price tag. Balancing convenience and cost is key to managing your travel budget effectively. Smart savings strategies. Fear not, fellow travelers. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, there are plenty of ways to make your travel dreams come true without emptying your wallet. There are plenty of ways to outsmart those budget busters. With a little bit of planning and some smart strategies, you can save a significant amount of money on your travels. Finding cheap flights is like a game, and I'm here to give you the cheat codes. The key is to be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Use flight comparison websites to track prices and set up alerts for deals. These tools can help you find the best prices and notify you when fares drop. Consider flying to smaller airports or traveling during the off-season for lower fares. Smaller airports often have cheaper flights, and off-season travel can save you a lot of money. When it comes to accommodation, think outside the hotel box. Traditional hotels can be expensive, but there are many other options that are both affordable and comfortable. Explore options like hostels, guest houses, or home-sharing platforms. These alternatives not only save you money, but also offer unique experiences and the chance to meet new people. These alternatives offer unique experiences and significant savings. Staying in a hostel or guest house can give you a more authentic experience of the local culture. Food is an important part of travel, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Eating like a local can be both delicious and budget-friendly. Seek out local markets, street food stalls, and grocery stores for affordable and authentic culinary experiences. These places often offer fresh and tasty food at a fraction of the cost of restaurants. Embrace the joy of cooking your meals occasionally to save even more. Many hostels and vacation rentals have kitchen facilities, allowing you to prepare your own meals and save money. Plus, cooking your own meals can be a fun and social activity, especially if you're traveling with friends or family. You can even have a picnic in a beautiful location, making your meal an unforgettable part of your travel experience. My travel rewards triumph. One of my proudest travel moments involved maximizing my travel rewards points. I had been diligently collecting points from my credit card and airline loyalty programs. By strategically using my points, I managed to book a round-trip flight to Europe in business class for a fraction of the regular price. It was an incredible feeling of accomplishment and a testament to the power of smart savings. Your affordable adventure awaits. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be expensive. By following these tips, you can unlock amazing travel experiences without breaking the bank. Plan ahead, be flexible, and embrace the adventure of budget travel. The world is waiting to be explored, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. Join the travel savings conversation. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your best budget travel tips? Share your secrets in the comments below and inspire fellow travelers to explore the world affordably. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!